Did you know that 70% of professionals are now working remotely at least once a week? The demand for online skills is skyrocketing, and today I'm sharing 3 more skills that will help you secure a high-paying online income by 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned freelancer, these skills are your golden ticket to financial freedom. Let's jump right in. The first skill you need to master in 2025 is web development. With businesses moving online, the need for skilled developers who can build and maintain websites is higher than ever. Here's how you can make money with web development: freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Build websites for small businesses. Partner with local businesses to create or revamp their websites. Sell templates or plugins. Create and sell pre-made website templates or plugins on marketplaces like ThemeForest or CodeCanyon. The average web developer earns between $30 to $150 per hour, depending on their experience. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where you can learn this skill. Here's how you can learn web development: free resources. YouTube channels like Traversy Media or Academind offer excellent tutorials. Paid courses: check out platforms like Udemy, the Web Developer Bootcamp, or Codecademy, Full Stack Engineer Career Path. Practice tools: use free tools like Visual Studio Code or GitHub to build and showcase your projects. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance web development gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering affordable website building services. TopTal, ideal for high-paying specialized projects. Now, let's explore the second skill. The second skill is online course creation. In 2025, the e-learning industry is expected to hit $375 billion, and there's a huge demand for experts who can create engaging and informative courses. Here's how you can make money with online course creation: sell courses on platforms, use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare to host and sell your courses, create custom courses, work with businesses or individuals to create tailored training programs, monetize your expertise, share your knowledge on topics like marketing, coding, or personal development. The average course creator earns between $500 to $10,000 per course, depending on their niche and marketing skills. Want to know where to learn this skill? Here's what you need to know. Here's how you can learn online course creation: free resources. YouTube channels like Think Media or blogs like Teachable Blog offer great tips. Paid courses: check out platforms like Coursera, Learning to Teach Online, or Udemy, How to Create an Online Course. Practice tools: use tools like Canva for designing course materials or Camtasia for recording videos. Once you've learned the basics, here are the best platforms to sell your courses. Udemy, great for reaching a global audience. Teachable, perfect for creating your own branded course website. Skillshare, ideal for teaching creative skills. Next, let's dive into the third skill. The third skill is digital marketing. In 2025, businesses are spending billions on digital ads, SEO, and social media campaigns, and they need skilled marketers to help them stand out online. Here's how you can make money with digital marketing: freelance platforms. Offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. Start an agency. Build a team and offer services like SEO, PPC, or social media management. Consulting: work with businesses to create and execute marketing strategies. The average digital marketer earns between $50 to $200 per hour, depending on their expertise. Ready to learn how to get started? Here's where to begin. Here's how you can learn digital marketing: free resources. YouTube channels like Neil Patel or blogs like HubSpot Blog offer great tips. Paid courses: check out platforms like Coursera, Digital Marketing Specialization, or Udemy, the Complete Digital Marketing Course. Practice tools: use tools like Google Analytics, SEMrush, or Hootsuite to hone your skills. Once you're ready, here are the best platforms to find work. Upwork, great for finding freelance digital marketing gigs. Fiverr, perfect for offering quick marketing services. LinkedIn, ideal for connecting with businesses looking for marketing experts. Now, let's wrap this up with some final tips. Congratulations! You now know 3 more in-demand online skills that will make you money in 2025: web development, online course creation, and digital marketing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these skills are in high demand and can help you build a sustainable online income. Here are some general tips to succeed. Start small, focus on one skill, and scale as you go. Be consistent, show up every day, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Keep learning, stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your chosen field. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share how to create a winning freelance profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.